YouTube video script. I built a $4,327 per month passive income stream using ChatGPT in 30 days last month. I made over $4,000 while spending less than 2 hours a week working. And I did it all using free AI tools. In the next 12 minutes, I'm going to show you the exact system I built, the prompts I use, and how you can copy this starting today with zero experience. And no, this isn't about drop shipping, crypto, or some sketchy pyramid scheme. This is a legitimate business model that I've been testing for the past 30 days. And the results honestly shocked me. But here's the thing, and I need you to pay attention to this. Most people are using ChatGPT completely wrong. They're asking it basic questions and getting basic results. What I discovered is a system that turns ChatGPT into a money printing machine. And by the end of this video, you'll have the exact blueprint. So if you're serious about building a real passive income stream in 2024, hit that subscribe button because we're diving deep. Let's go. Alright, so what exactly am I doing to make over $4,000 a month? I'm creating and selling digital products. Specifically, AI-powered templates, prompt libraries, and automation workflows. And before you click away thinking, that sounds complicated, trust me. It's way simpler than you think. Here's why this works so well. Businesses and entrepreneurs are desperate for AI solutions right now. But they don't have time to figure it out themselves. They're willing to pay for ready-made solutions that save them time. Pattern interrupt asterisk, and here's the crazy part. I had zero technical skills when I started this 30 days ago. I'm not a programmer. I'm not a designer. I just learned how to ask ChatGPT the right questions. Let me show you my actual earnings dashboard right now. $4,327 in the last 30 days. And look at this. Most of these sales happened while I was sleeping. That's the beauty of digital products. You create it once, and it sells over and over again. Okay, let's break down exactly how I did this, step by step. And I want you to follow along because you can literally start implementing this today. Step 1. Finding your profitable niche asterisk. The biggest mistake people make is trying to sell to everyone. You need to pick a specific niche. I chose AI prompts for real estate agents because I noticed real estate agents were struggling to use ChatGPT effectively for their marketing. Here's how you find your profitable niche in under 10 minutes. Open ChatGPT and use this exact prompt. I'm putting this on screen right now. I want to create digital products using AI. Analyze these criteria. 1. Industries actively adopting AI in 2024. 2. Professionals who have budget but lack time. 3. Recurring pain points that AI can solve. Give me 10 specific niche ideas with estimated market size. Asterisk. Pattern interrupt asterisk now. Pause the video and actually do this. I'm serious. Most people will just keep watching and never take action. Don't be that person. Once ChatGPT gives you those niche ideas, pick the one that excites you most. For me, it was real estate agents. Step 2. Creating your product in under 2 hours asterisk. Here's where the magic happens. You're going to use ChatGPT to create your actual product. I created a real estate AI prompt library with 50 ready-to-use prompts for property descriptions, social media posts, email campaigns, and client follow-ups. Here's the exact prompt I used to generate my product. You are an expert in. Create a comprehensive library of 50 ChatGPT prompts that solve these specific problems. For each prompt, include 1. The prompt template. 2. When to use it. 3. Expected output. 4. Customization tips. Format this professionally. Asterisk. ChatGPT will literally create your entire product for you. It took me about 45 minutes to generate the content and another hour to format it nicely in Google. Docs. Pattern interrupt asterisk and no. You don't need fancy design skills. I used Canva's free templates to make it look professional. Took me maybe 20 minutes. Step 3. Setting up your automated storefront asterisk. This is where most people get stuck. But it's actually the easiest part. You need somewhere to sell your product. And you need it to be automated. I use Gumroad. It's completely free to start. Takes about 15 minutes to set up. And handles everything. Payments, delivery, even affiliate management. Here's what you do. 1. Go to gumroad.com and create a free account. 2. Click Nay.